sorry seems to be the hardest word.
What I gotta do to make you love me? What I gotta do to make you care? What do I do when lightning strikes me? And I wait to find that you're not there. What I gotta do to make you want me? What I gotta do to be heard? What do I say when it's all over, babe? Sorry seems to be the hardest word.
That's right.
It's sad, so sad. It's a sad, sad situation.